Right heading. Standard deviation for grouped and continuous series. Grouped and continuous series. Formula is similar only, small changes. I will give you the formula and I will tell you the change. What is the change? SD is equal to standard deviation is equal to, right as it is, I will explain afterwards. Root of summation f into d square. This point denotes multiplication sign. F into d square divided by capital N minus into bracket summation fd upon capital N, bracket complete, the whole square. Okay. This is the formula. What formula I have written here? This belongs to which series? Group series. For continuous series also same formula you have to apply. Only changes in continuous series. Outside the root you have to multiply by what? C is nothing but difference in class interval. Because continuous series carries class interval. We have to check the difference also. Group series there are no class intervals, so don't consider this. This is the only change. Okay. But where to multiply? Outside the root. This much you have to remember. Okay. Now as per this, again n means small n, it is capital N. Capital N is nothing but total of frequency. If it is small n, it is number of observations. Frequencies, F means always frequencies, which will be given to you. Important term is D. D is nothing but deviation values. I think you have studied mean for shortcut methods, arithmetic mean shortcut method, right? In that formula is A plus summation FD divided by N into C. You are calculating the D values also, right? Same procedure here you have to apply. I'll tell you how to solve this. In shortcut only I will tell you. Written? All of you are written? Write one example. Right. From the following information, calculate standard deviation. And CV. Standard deviation and CV. CV is nothing but coefficient of variation. Make two columns. First column values, second column frequencies. Value column 166 frequency 3, 167 6, 168 9, 169 13, 170 8, 171 5, and 172 4. Okay, this much information is given to you. Now tell me, this is which series? Grouped, ungrouped or continuous? Why grouped? Because frequency column is there, but the condition is there is no class interval. In continuous series also they will give you frequency, but there are class intervals. This is the only difference between grouped and continuous series, right? And whenever there is a group series, again your first column is X plus. first we will go for standard deviation, which is the important one. I'll write over here. First write down the formula. SD is equal to root of summation f into d square divided by n minus into bracket summation fd upon n bracket complete the one square. Don't multiply by c because this is a group series. If it is continuous series, same formula you have to multiply by c value. Okay. Now see, as per this formula we will go. As per formula we have to go. What do you mean by n? Total of frequency. You can easily make the total. Calculate n value. I think 48. N value is 40. Correct? Okay. Now you know the n values. You know the frequencies which are already given to you, but we don't know d value. So next column you write it as d, which is equal to x minus a. X minus, don't divide by c because there is no class interval only. So we cannot divide by difference between class interval. Okay. Divided by c it will come in case of continuous series, not in case of group series. Now x minus a. What do you mean by a? It is assumed value from the x column. Assumed value from the x column. You can assume first, last, middle, anything, no problem. As per your wish. The total will differ, but your last answer will come as it is. Okay. For calculation purpose, I will take middle value as. Okay. Now as per formula you saw, x minus a, 166 minus 169 minus 3, 167 minus 169 minus 2, 168 minus 169 minus 1, 169 minus 169 0. Next is 170 minus 169 1, 171 minus 169 2, 172 minus 169. These are your d value. You can use shortcut method also, which I have told you in case of me. What is the shortcut? Whatever may be the a value for that d is always 0. Upper part is negative, lower part is positive. Don't change the values also, it will remain same. Okay. Okay, now you know d column. You know d column. We don't know d square. Calculate d square. Next column is d square. Make the square of d values 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Right? Once you know d square values, now go for FD. FD is nothing but frequency values multiplied by d values. Most important column. Frequency values multiplied by d values, because signs are there. Frequency is plus, but d value is minus. Plus minus becomes minus. Then multiply. 3 into 3 minus 9. Correct? Plus 6 into minus 2 minus 12. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. 13 into 0 0. 8 into 1 8. 5 into 2 10. 4 into 3. Frequency multiplied by d column. And the last column is f into d square. F into d square. Means what? Don't make the square of this fd. It is wrong. So I have given here point here. If I write like this, fd square, what you will do? You will make the square of this column. So only I have given here point. It is f into d square, means frequency value multiplied by d square value. Frequency value multiplied by d square value. Multiply. 3 into 9 27. 6 into 4 24. 9 into 1 9. 0. 8 into 1 8. 5 for the 20. 4 9 the 30. And you have to make the total of last two columns. Enough. Remaining all are supporting columns. These are the two main columns. Now here there are negative values and positive values. Make the separate total. It is minus 30 Make the separate total of minus values and plus values. Here minus values are minus 30, plus value is plus 30. So difference is 0. Make the full total of f into d square. I don't know answer. 124. 124. Correct? Now substitute the values in this formula. All of you have written the formula? Okay. Now we will substitute. F into d square is 124 divided by n value is 48 minus into bracket summation of d is 0 divided by 48 bracket complete the whole square. Yes, you have to substitute the values. Don't use any shortcut method. Go step by step. You will get exact answer. Which is equal to root of, first divide this, 124 divided by 48. 2.5 minus into bracket, first divide this. 0 divided by 48 is always 0, bracket complete the whole square. Which is equal to root of 2.58 minus 0 square will be 0 only. Which is equal to root of 2.58 minus 0 is 2.58. Therefore, standard deviation is, you see the root of 2.58? 1.60 is your standard deviation. Correct, no? 1.60 is standard deviation. Okay, one part is over. That is standard deviation. Next what? CV. To calculate CV, what is the formula of CV? It is standard deviation divided by x bar into 100. Right? Now you know standard deviation, but we don't know x bar. How to calculate x bar? What is the formula of x bar? That is mean for group series. Summation fx divided by n. Correct? You know capital N as per this formula, but you don't know fx. Which column you will prepare? Fx. Go for fx. That is frequency values multiplied by x values. Okay, wait. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. So multiply this and then solve, right? By using this formula. Instead of this, I will go for shortcut method. What is the shortcut method formula? A plus summation fd divided by n into c is there, but c is not applicable here because it is group series. Now see, you know a value, right? You know n value, you know fd value. Why to calculate fx value? Save the time, no? By using this formula. A value, what we have assumed? 169 plus fd is 0 divided by n is 48. Solve this. 169 plus 0 divided by 48 is 0. Your mean value is 169. Mean value is 169. Correct? Instead of solving again fx column and everything, go for shortcut method. Answer will be saved by using shortcut and direct method. If you go for fx column and then if you solve, you will get 169. Okay. Now you know standard deviation, you know x bar. Go for CV. CV is equal to standard deviation is 160. Sorry, standard deviation is 1.60 divided by mean is 169 into 100. Therefore, CV value is, check the answer.